Hello everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to be working on the 61 Gravely Model L. I'm having a problem with low gear. I adjusted the rod and the rod's adjusted all the way, but it's not clicking in there as good as it should. About 3 or 4 years ago I was having a problem with reverse forward, and the reverse clutch was shot. I couldn't do a thing with it, so that was easy to change. I just had to take the front housing off to change the clutch in it. It wasn't too big of a job, but I think the high-low range, well, I know for a fact that you have to pull the engine off to change that clutch. So what we're going to do today is, I will show you what we're going to do today. Okay, over here what you have is the lever that slides onto the shaft that goes into the engine here. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to try to loosen the lever shaft, I'm sorry. I'm going to loosen the 1/2-inch bolt here, but I'm just going to loosen it enough to where it'll just slide on this shaft without being too loose, and we're going to try to move it so this lever ends up being more forward here. So this way you can grab low gear better. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to loosen that 1/2-inch bolt down here, and you're going to take the high range. You're going to take the lever here for high range, and you're going to loosen that bolt just enough to where you could see it. I could do it while I'm sitting down, but I can't show you while I'm sitting down. You're going to push this lever down into high range until you see that lever start moving forward. So I'm going to try to move it forward about 1 inch or so, and then I'm going to tighten up the bolt, tighten up the lever, and then we're going to see where it sits after I do that. And hopefully I'll be able to grab reverse. I won't have to put a clutch in it. High gear is fine, but the adjustment on high gear is just about all the way up too. So I know the clutch is pretty worn out on it, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I took the lever, and like I said, I loosened up that bolt enough to where it would just slide on there, you know, snugly. And I put the high range, I pushed that down, so I moved this about an inch. Tightened it up, wasn't enough, so I loosened the bolt again, and I moved the high range lever and moved it about another 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I don't know, I can't really figure what I did, and I tightened it up, and it seems to be okay. It's grabbing low gear pretty good. It's clicking in like that, you see. That's what you want. Before it was just mush. It was just, you could just lay this right down without any spring. Had no spring to it. And high gear seems to be okay. I have to look forward to putting a clutch in this though, because I'm pretty sure the clutch is pretty much shot. This tractor's pushed a lot of snow. Well, I've been pushing snow with it since 1986. So it was expected the reverse clutch had to be replaced, reverse forward, and it's good for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten everything back up, and I'm just going to throw the sulky on it and take it around here a little bit and see if it's okay. I mean, the clutch wasn't slipping, but I'm trying to avoid any clutch slippage, because once you burn the clutch out, then you have to replace the clutch. Now this rod here, I want to explain, because I've seen a couple of videos where people were having problems. This rod here sometimes gets rusted and won't slide in and out of the springs here. and then you can't get it into gear. And the important thing is WD-40, blaster, whatever you want to use. I keep after these all the time because I have to put this tractor on an open trailer and go out in the snow, and there's salt and all kinds of crap getting in there, and water and whatever. So you have to keep everything lubricated really well here with these machines. So until next time, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps somebody out someday.